Hi, I am RVR. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. This is the most important tense. In this video lesson, we are going to learn what is present continuous tense, how do we use it in English language, and what are the rules of present continuous tense. And this video lesson, let's go and learn. Welcome back to RVR English YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. This is also most used tense in spoken and written language. The most important grammar section. Now we are going to learn what present continuous tense is, how to use it, and how to identify it, and how we could do it in examinations. Okay, let's go and learn. Okay, present continuous tense is used to talk about an action which is being taken place at the time of talking. The structure of the present continuous tense is I am writing a letter. Let's observe carefully. Subject I. Be form am, is, or compulsory you should use. Plus writing, verb plus ing form. It is present participle. Ing form in English, Telugu meaning chu, tu, raichu, velluchu, tragutu, rastu, chaduvutu, chaduvuchu, like this, and object. So some more examples for you. She is writing her notes. He is driving a car. They are playing chess. Okay, now learn statement negative sentences of present continuous tense. We learned already how to construct present continuous tense. I am reading a book. నేను ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదువుచూ ఉన్నాను. When you want to say negative sentence, you should use not. I am not reading a book. నేను ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదువుచూ లేను. We are riding a horse. మేము ఒక గుర్రాన్ని స్వారీ చేయుచూ ఉన్నాం. We are not riding a horse. మేము గుర్రాన్ని స్వారీ చేయుచూ లేము. Like this, understand the remaining sentences of English into our mother tongue, but think in English. You are singing a song. You are not singing a song. He is driving a car. He is not driving a car. She's cleaning the room. She's not cleaning the room. It is running. It is not running. They are walking. They are not walking. Okay. Now let's learn yes or no question and WH word question. Am I reading a book? Already we have learned be form usage, do form usage, have form usage. How to change it, statement, negative, yes or no question and WH word questions. So it is easy. We always put a helping verb before subject. Then it becomes a question sentence. Just we do two things to make statement to a question sentence. We put a helping verb before the subject and used a question mark. Then it becomes a question sentence. Am I reading a book? నేను ఒక పుస్తకాన్ని చదువుచూ ఉన్నానా in Telugu. What am I reading? నేనేం చదువుచూ ఉన్నాను. Are we riding a horse? మేము గుర్రాన్ని స్వారీ చేయుచూ ఉన్నామా? Where are we riding a horse? మేము ఎక్కడ గుర్రాన్ని స్వారీ చేయుచూ ఉన్నాము. Like this, you think in English, understand it in Telugu until you are habituated to use English fluently. Are you singing a song? How are you singing a song? Is he driving a car? Why is he driving a car? Is she cleaning the room? When is she cleaning the room? Is it running? Where is it running? Are they walking? Why are they walking? We use it to talk about an action which takes place at the time of talking, time of speaking. See some example to understand present continuous tense. Look, the old man is walking on the road. Don't disturb me. I'm doing my homework. They're playing cricket now. She's dancing on the stage at present. He is swimming in the pool at the moment. Second rule. We use it to talk about an action which doesn't take place at the time of talking. but the action is in progress indirectly. Yes, it's true. Let's go. I am studying intermediate. The students usually say I'm studying intermediate, I'm studying graduation, I'm studying PG, I'm studying BTech. But where are they? They're on the road, at home, shops, cinema theaters, or libraries. But what are they telling? I am studying intermediate. I am now at home, not in college. In such cases also we use present continuous tense. She's working in your factory. She's in market to buy vegetables. They're growing plants. They're at home now. See, in these three examples, the persons are doing the work regularly, but they're not doing the work at the time of talking. In such cases, in second row, we use present continuous tense. Got it? Rule number 3. We use it to talk about a habit or custom. Is it true? Yes. You can express present continuous tense. You can use present continuous tense to express habit, custom, like simple present tense. You are attending college regularly these days. It has become a habit now. She is going to office on time nowadays. To express temporary action, rule number 4. She is living in a flat. When there is a temporary action, you could use present continuous tense. Kartikeya is working in TCL. It's a temporary, not permanent. Rule number 5. To express fixed program, like simple present tense, you could also present continuous tense. The Prime Minister is going to visit Tirupati. Like this, you could replace simple present tense with the present continuous tense. To express likelihood and intention, it is going to be happen. It seems like that. He's going to marry his sister-in-law. There is possibility. They're playing at that moment. There is possibility. She's going to see the Charminar. It's in schedule. There is possibility of seeing. Note, identify this tense with these expressions. Look, listen, don't disturb, at present, at the moment, now, and some other rules which are given in our video lesson. Follow strictly to use it correctly in your language. Okay, dear ones, we have learned present continuous tense structure, usage, and identification. Now we are going to learn exemptions. We should not use the following verbs in present continuous tense in the primary purpose. If you use these words, they give different meaning. Let's learn the different meanings in next video lesson. But now, let's learn the verbs which we don't use in present continuous tense. Don't use the stative verbs, mental verbs. See, hear, smell, notice, touch, perception. When you percept these words, no present continuous tense. Appear, look, seem. Appearance also no present continuous tense. Want, prefer, refuse, hate, love, like, wish, desire, feel, no present continuous uses. Emotions. Think, suppose, believe, agree, consider, mean, imagine, understand, know, forget, remember, trust. Thinking words, no present continuous tense. Own, possess, belong to, contain, consist of, no present continuous tense. We use these words only in simple present tense. And if you use these words in present continuous tense, they give different meaning. I explain you in future videos. Okay? Now learn the verbs which we don't use in present continuous tense. Yeah. Here I have given you one exercise to understand. I am believing in you. Wrong. I believe in you. Right. She's thinking about you. Wrong. She thinks about you. Right. He's hating her. Wrong. He hates her. Right. They are seeing me. Wrong. They see me. Right. So like this, no present continuous. And if you use in present continuous, they give secondary meaning. Please keep in mind. Okay, dear ones, friends, students. Now this is the time to test our knowledge of understanding this video lesson. How much we have learnt after watching this video lesson? Let's test ourselves. Fill in the blanks with the suitable present continuous tense verb forms. You could do it. Dear students, note down these sentences into your notebook and fill in the blanks appropriately and post it in our group. Okay? Yeah, one more exercise for you. All these sentences which are written in this page are wrong sentences. Rewrite correctly in your notebook and post it in our group. You could do that. If you don't understand, replay our video lesson and watch it again until you understand. Every word, every rule is there is in our video. Okay, students and friends, I think you understood it well. It's really wonderful tense in English language. Practice it until you understand. Use it. Dear students, write important points and exercise into your notebook and post it in our group. Let's meet in another useful video lesson. Until bye bye.